Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Terraria cloud file provider is not running. Primary fix: disable OneDrive sync for Terraria. Most users resolve this by preventing OneDrive from syncing the specific folder where Terraria stores local data. First, right-click the OneDrive icon cloud in your taskbar, then select Settings. Go to the Account tab and click Choose Folders. Locate Documents/My Games/Terraria in the list and uncheck it. And finally click OK and wait for a moment for OneDrive to update before launching the game. A secondary fix: ensuring OneDrive is running. If the above does not work, the game may actually require the cloud provider OneDrive to be active if it's currently managing your Documents folder. First, sign in. Ensure that you are signed into the OneDrive app on your PC. Launch OneDrive. Select for OneDrive in the Start menu and open it to ensure the service is active. Reset OneDrive. If it's stuck, open the Run dialog, Windows plus R key, place %local app data %/Microsoft/OneDrive/OneDrive.exe/reset and press Enter. Additional troubleshooting: verify integrity. In Steam, right-click Terraria, then Properties, then Install Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Disable Files on Demand. In OneDrive settings used under the Sync and Backup or Advanced Settings tab, turn off Files on Demand so all files are stored locally. Run as administrator. Right-click the Terraria executable and select Run as Administrator to bypass permission errors. And finally, change power plan. Select your PC power plan to high performance or balance, as power saving modes can sometimes disable cloud services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.